Hi, I am Tara, a watercolor artist and teacher. On this channel, I share watercolor lessons, techniques, and helpful tips for everyone. If watercolor is something you love or want to learn, please subscribe to support the channel. Now let's jump into today's video.
In this video, I'm going to teach how to paint this geranium flower. First, I'll mark the positions of the flowers with a pencil. No need for a complete sketch. I spray water over the color. I pick up some red paint and I add some water, a little orange to give it more warmth. Mix the same red with purple to get a darker red. Also mix a bit of brown and even indigo. For the leaves we use olive green. I also add a darker green. And mix in some indigo to make it even darker. Now our colors are ready. I take some light red and apply it onto the paper with dapping strokes. I use the darker red for the lower part of the flower. This one also applied with dapping strokes. I wash my brush and soften some areas on the top of the flower with water. I fade it. I put a darker color at the bottom of the whole piece. For the leaves and stems, I use olive green and also a darker green. I splash some colors and water. Okay, in the same way, we carefully work on the other flowers. Just remember, an important point is that the direction of the flowers should be different, and their size should also vary. Geranium leaves have a rounded shape, so we need to keep that in mind. We can use the side of the brush and press on the paper. I try to make the lower part of the flowers near the pot fuller and busier. This gives our painting depth. But the upper part, which is more empty, we leave as it is, giving the painting some space. Sometimes we sprinkle drops of paint or even water onto the painting. I mix indigo with the brown and red to make a dark color and use this color to paint the pot. I apply the dark color on one side and the other side I soften it with water. This area is an empty space where I can add a red flower, and again I place a few leaves. With a liner brush, we paint a few thin, irregular branches in the middle of the flower. This really enhances the beauty of the painting. These lines look simple, as if you spend hours on them, but in reality they are created with just one brush stroke. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful.